Friday, May 8th. Cruising in the 8440. Doing some rolling. Definitely plenty dusty still. And listening to Off the Husk podcast. Here's the roller. I can remember when my uncle made this. It's probably been at least 10 years. Like I say, old Wilrich digger frame or something like that. And he bought the steel drums and mounted them on there. Pretty slick. And then really haven't seen this at all this year. The 455 35-foot grain drill pulled by the 8430. It's pretty nice. It is windy and it is cold. I think we had a light frost last night and another one tonight, and possibly 1 to 2 inches of snow Saturday night. Perfect, as Brian's farming videos would say. Oh, that's cold. Time to go find the rock picker, switch seed totes, and pick the last like 90 acres. Well, I'm back running our rock picker with the different controls. One thing I do like about this one better is that the ramp, whatever you want to call it, claw part, comes up higher and it angles downwards into the basket. That Summers one, it only came up so far, but it was still at an upwards angle when you had to bat them in, if you had to go that route. But still, both, really good rock pickers. It sure still beats hopping off and picking them by hand, though, no doubt. So like I say, light frost last night. It was like 35 degrees when I started this morning. That wind, it was like 38 degrees when I was saying it was cold. Burr! A little bit of corn peeking up. It seemed to have taken it okay. The next 3 of the 4 nights are going to get below freezing. We'll see how it does. Should be tough enough, but no beans popping through. Ground's plenty warm to keep the seeds safe. Later in the week, upper, mid 60s to 70s by the end of the week. So by the time the beans pop through, rain and 70s. Fingers crossed that it'll be okay. There he goes. He's got seed to keep going. And I'm on to my next job. Pretty lucky that she chases me around and gives me rides. Here's the corn. Right around the site here. This area is a little compacted, but it's coming up nicely. That is our earliest planted stuff. So that's the farthest it is, but it's looking good. Like I say, a couple cold nights ahead of us, and then some rain and warmer weather, so we'll see how it goes. With any luck, they should finish planting the beans tonight. I have an obligation I have to get to, so I'm taking off. The fields are rock picked, the roller just about finished, and the drill is right on his tail, so things are going well. So with that, you guys have a good night. Be safe as always. Check you later.